Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise. So we got another Northwest Cars and Octane meet right now. Already you see Donovan's V10 R8, which looks so good. I love how it's finished in red, but it's also a manual red stock paint, super rare, super hard to come by. But yeah, let me just go ahead and show you all the other cars that are here. Guys, I just absolutely love Donovan's R8. Like, that red looks so good, and he had it all like a little red trim all over. There's a bunch of carbon fiber. Like, this car is like one of my dream cars. Like, I would love to own a V10 R8. Like, this thing is beautiful. But I really love that carbon fiber down the bottom trim, and then all that little red detail he added. A little bit of red trim on the front vent there, which looks so good. These amazing wheels. Got the carbon fiber side skirts also with that little trim. Got all the carbon fiber on the side blade. Even the interior has a lot of carbon fiber. You can kind of see it right here on the middle console. It goes up and around the gauge cluster. A little bit on the door over there as well, but this car is beautiful. Man, I would love to have one of these on the channel. Like, this is insane. Like, one of my all-time dream cars. I mean, Iron Man had one, but he actually had the V8 R8. The first movie, when they first came out, they were only V8s for a few years. But this V10, oh, and then that giant wing on the back. Gosh, this thing looks so good. And as you can see, the V10 sitting here in the back, it's actually the same 5.2 V10 that was put in the Lamborghini Gallardo. So, if you didn't know, the R8 essentially is a Gallardo, which is, I think, pretty cool, but the curves and design on the R8 are so much more elegant. I really love it. And then, of course, he has the roof wrapped black, which looks really good. The rear deck lid wrapped black. Like, man, this car is a beautiful spec. Like, Donovan, if you're watching this, like, your car is amazing. Like, I absolutely love it. Alright, so I got a really nice Lamborghini Huracan in this really awesome matte white. A wide body M2 just pulled in, so let me show you guys those because they look amazing. It's actually a pretty good turnout so far. Like we've only been here for about an hour, but there's already a lot of cars still showing up. We got a new 2020 Supercars now pulling in, but yeah, there's all kinds of really awesome cars. And let's just see what else shows up. Alright guys, so the meat's kind of dying down a little bit. There's still some really nice cars out here, but I'm pretty much going to wrap up and head out of here. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can keep coming back to see more videos. Also put in the comments below what your favorite car was out of this whole entire meet. I have a few ideas of what mine are, but especially Donovan's V10 R8 is beautiful. As always guys, thank you for watching.